Okay. Vincent, wow. And also for audience, let's give her a round of applause. Thank you, Ardillian. Vincent, Tita Princess Ardillian. So, please subscribe my YouTube channel, the Jennifer channel, and my page. Interview with Jennifer Castro. Please follow mo ba yan? Tapos share mo pa yung pati kay Mayor Victor. Also especially kay Vice Mayor Susan Villaruso. Okay, are you ready? Okay. Your timer. Lahat lang, pili lang na. Your timer starts now. Funny, serious.
Funny.
Be famous, be rich. Visible, invisible. Okay. Possible or impossible? Kindness, good future. Ano pa ang isa o kaana ng manok?
Isaw.
Good luck, bad luck. Okay, may sarap pa. Books or magazines? Netflix or Viva Max? Viva Max or Pera, pag-ibig.
Pag-ibig.
One sino? One word to describe yourself. One word to describe yourself.
Sugar.
Pass. If you had a superpower, what would it be? Ano superpower? What is the funniest thing that happened to you? Pass, okay. What is your dream destination?
Oh, you got power.
Who inspires you the most? Sino ang na-inspires the most? Si Ariana Montanar or si ano ba? Kiragino? Favorite singer?
Daniel Madilla.
Wow. Favorite movie? Pass. At Renny, karoon na pagtapos sa ano puro tanong kayo. Favorite hobbies?
Pass.
Okay. Dream vacation?
Pass.
Si Ma. Favorite food?
Sugar.
Biggest fear? Pass na ka. Best childhood memory?
Pass.
Sige na, it's like sun and lights off.
Pass apon.
Happiness, chocolates.
Chocolate.
Best place for sex. Happiness. Yes or no? The size matter.
Pass.
Ay, naku, Diyos ka, puro pass. Okay, see you at the next episode. Bye-bye.